I'm going to talk about some words that we use all the time. We use them like they are very, very common words. Before I start, I would like to remind you my email address is alaa.arabictutor@gmail.com. Arabic tutor is one word. So ala.arabictutor@gmail.com. I teach one-on-one if you are interested. I also have a shop on Etsy. The name of the shop is Aralola, Aralola, Aralola. Um, I have a lot of different things there. They're all, I'm a graphic designer. Everything is designed. It has Arabic words or Arabic art, or it's all related to Arabic. And I also have a lot for Palestine. Also, I have a discount for the Black Friday. It's happening now, and it's only for my listeners. The code you should use is save now, one word, capital letters, save now. And it's mostly for all Christmas products. So make sure you use the discount, the code. It's save now, one word, before until Black Friday. It's working until the Monday before the first Monday after Black Friday. Basically, like Sunday is the last day for it, which is my birthday. Um, so yeah, make sure you use it. Most of the things I have, most of them are free shipping. So, and again, it has everything. So I don't know what you like, so I'm doing everything for everyone. Anyway, let's just start doing the episode. Some words we use all the time, sometimes we don't really notice that we use them, but they are very common, very popular. The first word we use is tayyib, 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 and it means okay. Tayyib. It means okay. Now, the next word we use is, you might already know this word. It's very, very, very popular. It is yalla. The word yalla. So yalla, basically it means like let's go, let's do it, let's do it, let's go. So I would use the word yalla in sentences like this. I'm going to give you examples how I would use the word yalla. So, for example, I would say, Yalla, let's go. Yalla, I will go. Yalla, I'm going. Yalla, let's go. We are late. Yalla, I'm waiting. Yalla, I need to know. Yeah, so these are like different sentences. I would use the word yalla with them. Now, the next word, you might already have heard it before. It's habibi. So we have habibi and we have habibti. Habibi is when your lover, it's my lover. Habibi means my lover and it's a male. Habibti, my lover, and it's a female. Now we use these words all the time. It doesn't like with anyone, strangers, kids, uh parents, friends, literally anyone. So if I said habibi to someone I don't really know, doesn't mean like I'm flirting with him or anything. It's, we use this word a lot, and men can use it to other men as well because the cultures are different. I know a man here in the US won't say to another man like honey or sweetie, like you won't use these words with each other, but the cultures are different, and we say, like, men might say habibi to each other and it's all good. So it's not always romantic. It's romantic when you are couples or married, like lovers, but if not, it's not romantic. We use it all the time. Next word is anjad. 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 So anjad has a few different meanings, depends on how you say the word. So for example, it might mean really, or it might mean like seriously, or like a sarcastic way, or really like you're serious, really, wow. So it depends on how you say, like your tone. So yeah, so anjad means two different meanings, really or seriously, can be sarcastic, can be serious, depends on your tone, how you say the word. So the word again is anjad. Anjad. Next word we use, actually, this one of my students told me about it, and I have never noticed this word, but she told me because she's learning the language. Once, like, she was listening to Arabs talking, she said they literally say the word every time they speak. I have never noticed that, but yes. So the word is khalas. Khalas. So khalas, it does actually have a lot of different meanings. So khalas might mean stop or finish or okay. So if you say khalas in the beginning of a sentence, it means okay. So like you can say khalas, I changed my mind, or khalas, I have to go. It's just like okay. It doesn't have a lot, like it doesn't do much. It's just a word we use it. But if I ask you a question, you want to tell me like okay, you do not use the word khalas. This is not how we use the word khalas. Khalas is like okay, I have to go. It's just like in a beginning of a sentence, and it doesn't really mean much. Okay. um Also it means khalas, like stop. And if I said it like an aggressive way, like khalas, like I'm angry, it means like stop, like we're done. Khalas is like finish. And also, if we want to make it complicated, there are different forms. I'm going to go over this actually in the next episode. Um, so I'm not going to talk about it right now. Last word is wallah. Maybe you all know the word Allah, which means God. The word wallah is very related, but it is slightly different. So wallah also depends on how you say the word. So wallah, it might mean swear to God. It might mean um like wallah. It has many different meanings. It's hard to explain. So it might mean like really. It might mean swear to God. It might mean nothing really. It's just like the word khalas in the beginning of the sentence. Wallah, I have to go. Like it's some words they just don't make any sense sometimes. In some ways we use them, we just put them there for no reason really. um I'm kind of kidding, but we do use some words for no reason just in the beginning of the sentence. Anyway, so I'm gonna say the words again. Tayyib means okay. Yalla means let's go or let's do something. Habibi means sweetie, or for a male. Habibti, sweetie, for a female. We use them all the time for anyone. For strangers, doesn't mean you're flirting. Anjad means, depends on your tone and how you say the word. It can mean really or seriously in a sarcastic way, or really as you're serious, like really this happened. Khalas and wallah, they don't always like have a purpose when we use them. We just use them just because. The words khalas and wallah. Khalas also has a few different meanings. It might mean stop or finish, or yeah, these are the main reasons for it. Khalas, it means stop, either aggressive or friendly, depends on your tone, how you say the word. Wallah, it means swear to God, or like it has, wallah is one of the words we use, and just because, to be honest. So I hope this is helpful. It taught you some random words we use all the time. You can use them. I hope that was helpful, and thank you so much for listening.